Shabada, Zandramah no owe you no answer. Me free for run no more on TikTok like you in a sad corner. But since you're straight from the topic and I focus more on my looks, come here like a dirty bitch. Me ready for make you cook. I years now you bring down woman that happen to be your niche. Cause since you stop from keeping a theater, not now going for you not keeping your skin bleach. It's not a secret to Jamaica how you bitter we know your cosmite ways. And since Nisha the doctor, why you not forward up there? Because boy, you look like you have AIDS. Yes! You look hard of fear. We can peel like you catch the big one. You're the worst example to represent us as a Jamaican man. You're an embarrassment to our community. And you why them hate we so? Because you behave like a dirty water or run out of pig pen like any old drunko. You don't do nothing for the community apart from sick people's stomach. To the point them hate all of we, even me, no have no look. Go do some blood test, shibidi. Your health definitely a decline. We can't believe you look so and pick up people business put on your mind. You look suck out like bag juice. Like when you pit out cane trash. The way all you favor dead carcass, you should find time for your bash. Now you did look good like castic. But why them bury him though? Cause you there free as a walking dead a room. I haunt every woman and family you know. You call me shit in a plate? Shit can use as fertilizer. What glycol is that? You not sell no insurance, so your purpose find it up here. Why your contribution to humanity? Eh? You don't even have no friend. Somebody can call and tell me why Sid from the Ice Age movie come stop with me again. After me talk about killing when the woman them attack her the party, after this I was saying I have no compassion, you're a corpse, you're a dead body. Them can't find a pastor to officiate your funeral, abandon by me girl. Cause you text it and we like call it duppy, a Ghostbusters me out for dial. Cause for your decade now you're deceased. But you cannot rest in peace. Oh, what about your fingernails? Them look like a claw. Go use yourself and suck yourself because you're maga like a straw. You can never be an Oliver Samuels. You're definitely not a legend. You have absolutely no talent than to play your toxic self over and over again. What I create is called content. Yours is called contention. I share value, talent, and inspiration. You baga carelessness and tension. I explore new worlds. I have no apprehension, but you stuck with the dunce in your detention. You're not expanding. You have no dimension. You're stuck in a sad corner like a dip on suspension. Cause you're unable to capture a role outside of yourself. You don't have that giftedness or brilliance. You fail to portray a fresh character and have classic people soak up that ambience. My struggle tells a beautiful story, one of empowerment and resilience, quite contrary to your ignorance, arrogance, and defiance. So don't ever say me and your chat people business, cause we are not the same. I give people food for thought. You disgrace, pain, and shame. Yes, I don't know how we are Nisha. Me don't need to know them for all my opinion. Cause what have you done for the couple since you know them all along? Look how much money you get from theater. Me they are foreign struggling and broke. You never see me on American Idol say me homeless. So you know me having it rough. I mean, I need to send pampers from foreign. True, you claim Nisha need it. Go up a hospital and home your dirty mouth, make she use it as Kylie. Me see you try bring down spice. And she keep how much treat for picnic. You bring down coffee with the Grammy. You class up nice Miss Kitty. Stagnant muddy water. Unlike you, those females represent our country proudly. What have you done for the community of Jamaica? Who have done so much for you? Did you give back anything you made from the theater? So why is it the focus more on you? I offer real talent, wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. You have only offered misery and chaos as a living dead who's been roaming. You are so broken and unhappy. The happy corner is such an irony. Even your friends have departed from you. Shibada, you are nobody. If you think I've made nothing of myself, then me and you must make two. Matter of fact, me make a baby and bring forth life. Tell me, Shivi, what about you? You stink like dog and stay like sorbet or covered with junjo. I rather send the dappers them come give you for help out your leaking bumbo. Me a one girl no afraid of your mouth. Yeah, me no afraid of duppy. So rolling calf and 3 foot ass, me a duppy conquer. Afraid with me. Make somebody a prestige address me. Not you dirty cesspool croft. Lazarus, if I have a bed, take it up and walk. Ashes to ashes. Drunk or she be dose for dose.